Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll delve into mindfulness as a way to develop patience. Take a moment to settle comfortably into a seated position. Let your spine straighten. Allow your shoulders to drop and soften. And gently close your eyes. Now, direct your attention to your breath. Take a few deep inhalations and exhalations. And now, return to your natural breath. Settle into an easy, instinctual rhythm. Gently rest your awareness on your breath. Observe the cycles of your inhales and exhales very softly. Let your attention rest there, like a feather floating on the surface of a still and quiet lake. Let your breath be like a touchstone, calling you back to the present. Every time your mind wanders, let go of judgments or labels, and with loving patience, guide yourself back to your breath. Whether you get distracted once or 1,000 times, gently guide yourself back to the present moment. patiently return again and again to the rise and fall of your breath. Now, widen your awareness. There are days when meditation feels easy. We settle in quickly and 10 minutes fly by in what feels like seconds. Other times, our practice feels slow and tedious, and we leave the cushion feeling like we've taken 2 steps back. But this is the nature of our practice. Just like every new skill we learn, mindfulness takes time to develop. It's not something that happens overnight, and it's not something we can rush. It demands time and patience. There will always be ups and downs, highs and lows, but every time we sit down in meditation, we grow our capacity for mindfulness. With every breath, we become more aware, more present, and this patience naturally spills out into our day-to-day lives. So remind yourself that every step you take, every small gift, every challenge is part of the process and the growth. Now come back to your breath. Notice the ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales. Become aware of your body and space, and bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. See you again tomorrow.